Good morning, my dear children. Take out your moral science book, page number 23, chapter 7. Okay, my pets. Chapter 7, my pets. So, pets means the animals which we keep at our home. Okay, my pets. We have two pets. We have two pets. We love them very much. We love them very much. One each a parrot. We call it Chiku. It has a red beak and a green body. It has a long tail. Chiku can talk. It knows me very well. Chiku loves to eat grain. Minnie eats our pussy cat. Minnie eats our pussy cat. It is white in color. It is white in color. It sleeps with my sister. It sleeps with my sister. Minnie likes milk very much. Minnie likes milk very much. We play with Minnie every evening. We play with Minnie every evening. We are very kind to Minnie and Chiku. We don't harm them. So, this chapter is about my pets. Pets means the animals. Okay, it can be a bird or a animal. Okay, domestic animal. So see, I'll explain you now. Okay, I'll explain the chapter. So it is said that, see, we have two pets. As you can see in this picture, there is a boy and a girl. No, so we means both of them. We have two pets. We love them very much. One is a parrot. We call it Chiku. So they are telling that they have two pets, and we love them very much. Both of them love them very much. One is a parrot. So one of the pet is parrot. You can see a boy holding a parrot in his hand. No, so one is a parrot. We call it Chiku, and they have kept the name Chiku. Okay, the name of this parrot is Chiku. Okay, it has a red beak and a green body. It has a long tail. So you can see it has a red beak. No, see beak, this is a beak. So it has a red beak and a green body. So you can see the body, it is fully colored green. No, so it has a red beak and a green body, and also it has a long tail. You can see this tail. No, this is tail. It has a long tail. Okay, Chiku can talk. It knows me very well. Chiku loves to eat grains. So he said that Chiku can talk. This Chiku can talk, and he also tells that it knows him very well. It knows him very well, and Chiku loves to eat grains. What does this Chiku eat? Chiku eat grains. Okay, Chiku loves to eat grains. Okay, Minnie is our pussy cat. It is white in color. It sleeps with my sister. So now the second pet is pussy cat. Okay. First pet is a parrot. named Chiku, and now second pet is a cat named Minnie. Okay, so see, the name of the second pet is a cat. So the name of the cat is Minnie. They have kept the name Minnie. So Minnie is our pussycat. They said, okay, Minnie is our pussycat, means he is telling that Minnie is our pussycat. It is white in color. As you can see this cat, this Minnie, it is white in color, and he tells that it sleeps with my sister. It means this cat, a Minnie, sleeps with his sister. Minnie likes milk very much. So Minnie likes to drink milk very much. Minnie likes milk very much. Okay. We play with Minnie every evening. So we means both of them play with Minnie. Means a pussycat, Minnie. They play with Minnie every evening. Okay. Every evening time they play with Minnie. We are very kind to Minnie and Chiku. We don't harm them. So he says that both of them are very kind to Minnie and Chiku. We don't harm them. Means they do not do anything wrong to them. They love them very much. Okay. So the chapter is completed. So we can see a two-pet parrot named Chiku, cat named Minnie. Okay. See, we have two pets. They have two pets. Okay. I think most of you have a pet, no, at home. And what do we do with that pet? We love them. We take care of them. No. So in the same way, they also have a pet named Chiku and Minnie. Both of them love their pets, and they are very kind with this Minnie and Chiku. And also he says that we don't harm them. It means they love their pets very much. And not only they, we should also love our pets very much. Okay, we should take care of our pets if we have at home. Okay, so the chapter is completed. So your work for today is, you will go through this each word. You will do reading practice at home. Okay, you will go through this each word. You will learn this all. You will go through this each word and you will do reading practice. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you.